Find the best CPU cloud for AI. That's the mission of Lambda Labs. We're going to speak to the newly appointed CFO, Peter Seibold, about his vision, financial strategy, and he has a major announcement. We're going to talk all about it only on Taking Stock.
So Lambda is building a cloud for AI compute. What that means is that we are providing the computational power that is driving innovation in the AI marketplace.
So what makes you different from your competitors?
We are a company that is building a cloud by ML engineers for ML engineers. And what that means is that we understand the hardware as well as the software, and importantly, the user experience that enables the machine learning engineer to onboard onto our system, to do their work, and to make that a very pleasurable experience, one that delights our customers.
So congratulations on your $112 million safe investment and your Series D funding round. Tell me, what do you think is driving this momentum? How are you going to continue this growth?
We're literally in the middle of what I'll call a generational build of infrastructure. If you harken back over 100 years ago, we're doing the equivalent of building a railroad across the country. In order to do that, just like building a railroad, it takes an enormous amount of capital. And you referenced our Safe Note offering that we just concluded. We are in the middle of a Series D offering, but we've also recently completed a $320 million Series C and a $500 million credit facility with Macquarie.
Now this is fresh off the heels of your $500 million GPU financing and $320 million Series C funding. What would you say are your financial strategies right now? Has it changed your priorities in any way?
I recently came from another company, which is an AI inference software company. And it was during that time that I was there that capital was not available, not for 1 minute that I was at the company. And we all lived through a period when companies had to go through a period of austerity and to learn how to live within their means and to generate free cash flow. With that as a backdrop, number one, and then number two, having spent a career in investment banking, advising companies on capital structure, to me, it's a very simple equation, which is as we deploy more and more capital, my role is to ensure the liquidity of business and therefore make sure that we have access to all different forms of capital at any moment in time.
A lot to look out for. Well, thank you so much for joining me on Taking Stock.
It's a pleasure. Thank you so much.